Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do a bloom today. I have this nice little 8" by 8" canvas, and I have my Glidden semi-gloss house paint that I'm going to use for a pillow here. I have some primary red, some crimson, I have a phthalo blue, I have a sapphire, some Deco Art Extreme Sheen Gold, okay, and I want to start out with my phthalo blue. Tiny bit more. And with my crimson red, a little bit of the 24 karat gold, primary red, getting off center here a little bit, and then the sapphire blue, use some of my black cell creator, and like I said, I let these paints set for a couple of hours, get the bubbles out of them. I thickened up my cell creator a little bit, and I thickened up my crimson a little bit. So let's give this a blow, see what we can get. It's working much better. Much better. Some gorgeous cells going on there. Take a look at that. Just going to give this a minute or two so that it comes back to level. And then we can tilt it and stretch it out and see what we come up with. Almost there. Just getting rid of a couple of bubbles that I see in here. I guess my lesson learned is you do need to let these paints settle after mixing them, because even still I was seeing a lot of air in my crimson. I don't think you can see it on camera there. Love that right there. It's a little wisp of black coming off. Okay, I think it's back up level. Give it some stretch. Just going to very slowly let it stretch out. Kind of want to keep my cells from stretching too much. rolling a little bit. Get off these edges here and there. And then I'm going to bring it back. Just racking it a little bit. Like I said, I don't want my cells to stretch until they're flat. So I give it a little bit of paint on these edges to work with. Very, very thin layer on the canvas. Okay, that should help it along. There we go. This way. While I'm stretching this, I want to tell you a little story. I have 2 Shih Tzus that are brothers. They're from the same litter. And I heard a racket in the middle of the night. And I got up to see what was going on. And one of them decided to open my Lazy Susan cupboard and not just play in it. He decided that he wanted to go inside. So by the time I got back out to the kitchen from my bedroom, he had his whole body inside the Lazy Susan cupboard, and he was pushing things aside, and they were coming out of the cupboard and clanging and banging and making all kinds of noise. And I thought, if I would have had a camera, that would have been a perfect moment, because he had his whole body inside the cupboard. I don't know if he was going to lay down, take a little nap inside there, or what his thought was. But he was fully in the cupboard. Okay. Oh, I really like this. The way that phthalo blue is spreading. Some gorgeous little cells in here. Try and bring it up, cover this side a little bit. Bring it down. Okay, now we should be able to bring it down to this corner. Little bit, very slowly, very slowly. just over that edge. And I've got some cells that I don't want to lose, so I'm going to bring it back real quick. I like the way it's sitting, kind of shooting off to one direction. Very pretty. Okay, so that worked a little better, letting my paints sit for a little while. Less air in them. Grab a little bit of paint. I've got kind of a dry corner here. See if I can get just some white. Bring it over to this corner. Probably not. I'll just add a little. Tap it in. Okay. I am really happy with this one. Really happy. I'm gonna give it a torch. This doesn't usually do much good, but I'm just gonna give it a try, get rid of some of those surface bubbles that I'm seeing. Okay. Let me give you a close-up look. Loving that right there. It's so pretty. So pretty. A little group of cells right there. Very cool. Very cool. Thanks for visiting with me, guys. Appreciate it. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Bye.